Man is social by nature, and interaction and communication between human beings is quite natural. We may share views either orally or in writing. And dear students, we human beings are fond of holding parties. And we hold so many social functions such as celebrations of birthday, engagement, wedding, marriage anniversary, appointment, promotion. We don't miss any opportunity. We love to have parties. And that's why invitations form an important part of social dealings. Invitations is a request to an individual to come or go somewhere or to do something. Invitation can be both formal as well as informal. Dear students, in our syllabus, this invitation is of 4 marks. You will get 1 for format, 2 for your content, and you will get 1 for your grammatical accuracy and spelling also. So today we will discuss only first part, that is formal invitations. Dear students, formal invitations are formal letters. They can be printed or cards or can be drafted in the form of social letters. Dear students, these formal invitations are formal, polite, and pleasant also. Formal invitations are generally printed invitation cards and we use them to invite guests on special occasions like birthday, weddings, and inaugurations. So please note down one thing, that invitation answers the questions who, whom, when, where, what time, and for what. And don't forget to mention the name of the event or occasion, name of the invitee, name of the host, and date, time, and venue. They are very, very important. Dear students, in printed formal invitations, we never mention the name of the addressee. And invitation to VIP to proceed over a function do carry the name of VIP, or you call it chief guest also, prominently. So today we will discuss only formal invitations card, or you can say printed cards also. Right in front of you, you have an invitation. And dear students, this is one of the most common examples. The best examples that you have definitely seen at your home. I am talking about the wedding cards. Dear students, if you pick up any wedding card, so you will find that every time, in case of wedding card, how do we start? First of all, we find the name of the host. Then there is a request line. It is followed by the name of bride and the name of the bridegroom. Don't miss the opportunity to introduce the bridegroom's father also if you are from girl side, bride side. Then there is an information line, and here you have to cover 3 things, that date, venue, and time. And dear students, 2 common things that you have definitely read, that best compliments from. Here we mention the name of the family, or we have RSVP. RSVP is basically a French term, but its meaning is very simple, that is please respond. Now I would like to share an invitation card with you. This is an example. Dear students, please read each and every word carefully. Dr. Prabhubhai Kapoor and Mrs. Disha Kapoor. Who are they? They are the host. So this is our host line. Then we have a request line or invitation line. You will find different ways to express, like request the honor of your presence at the wedding of their son. Then we have the name of bride and bridegroom. 3 things, don't forget, very, very important, date, time, and venue. And the last step is with best compliments from. So if you cover all the points, you will get 4 out of 4 in your board examination. Dear students, I would like to discuss one more invitation card for you. Now I have picked an invitation from your school life. Every year we celebrate annual day, and your teachers hand over you the invitation for your parents. So have you noticed that what are the common things that we find every year? How to begin or how to start? First of all, we have the principal, our high authority. Then staff, it includes your teaching and non-teaching. Then you are an integral part of the school, so it's on behalf of you only, the principal, staff and students of. We will mention the name of the school and it should be highlighted. Then again an invitation line. Here we have in a different style, that solicit the pleasure of your company on the auspicious occasion of the annual function. Here you can write the theme also. Every year we have a theme for annual day, so you can highlight it in a different ways. Then venue, it's understood that it would be inside your school. Then don't forget to mention date and time. Dear students, whenever we have any annual function or annual sports day or any special event, every time we invite a chief guest also. So whoever has consented to be the chief guest, we mention the name of that VIP or chief guest prominently. We highlight that. Dear students, here it is. We have done the same. That Dr. M.M. Joshi, HRD Minister, Government of India, will be the chief guest and give away the prizes to the students. And the last step is again RSVP. That means please respond. And dear students, to whom to respond? The principal of your school, and don't forget to mention your contact name, contact number, and these days email is also in trend, so we can mention the same also. Now please watch this video again, and I'm sending you one PDF. There you will get 2 solved examples, guidelines for the formal invitation, and then we will draft 2 invitations today. Thanks a lot everyone.